Assalamu alaikum, everyone. If you've just started driving or you're a new driver, this video is extremely important for you. Today, I'm going to share some essential car tips and common mistakes that, if you avoid, can save you from accidents, increase your car's life, and even save you money. So make sure you watch this video till the end. A small mistake on the road can lead to a big accident, and most of these accidents happen because new drivers don't know the basic rules or they ignore important car tips. In today's video, I will share very important driving tips, car care advice, and common mistakes that every beginner driver should avoid. These tips will not only help you drive safely but also increase your car's life and save your money in the long run. So make sure you watch this video till the end because every tip is practical and useful for real life driving situations. Let's start with the most basic but most important thing, your driving position. Many new drivers ignore this, but your seating position plays a huge role in your safety and comfort. First of all, adjust your seat in a way that your feet can easily reach all pedals, clutch, brake, and accelerator. Your knees should have a slight bend, not completely straight and not too close. Your back should be fully supported by the seat so that you don't feel tired during long drives. Now adjust your steering wheel. It should not be too far or too close. You should be able to turn it easily without stretching your arms too much. Also, adjust your side mirrors and rear view mirror properly before starting your drive. You should have a clear view of everything around your car. If your driving position is wrong, you will feel tired quickly. Your reaction time will become slow, and this can be very dangerous in traffic situations. Now let's talk about braking. One of the most important skills for any driver. New drivers often make a big mistake by pressing the brake suddenly or too hard. This not only makes the ride uncomfortable but also increases the risk of accidents. Always try to brake smoothly and gradually. When you see traffic ahead or a signal, start slowing down early instead of waiting for the last moment. Also, maintain a safe distance from the car in front of you. This gives you enough time to react if something unexpected happens. Never panic and press the brake harshly unless it is an emergency. Smooth braking shows that you are a skilled and confident driver. Fuel is expensive, and smart driving can help you save a lot of money. One important tip is to avoid sudden acceleration. Do not press the accelerator too hard without reason. Try to keep your speed steady and smooth. Also, avoid unnecessary stopping and starting of the car. Every time you stop and start the engine, it uses extra fuel. If you are waiting for more than a minute, it is better to turn off the engine instead of keeping it idle. Maintaining a constant speed on highways is also very helpful in saving fuel. These small habits can reduce your monthly fuel cost significantly. Now let's talk about car maintenance, something every driver should know. Many beginners think that car maintenance is only for mechanics, but that is not true. As a driver, you should know the basic things about your car. First, always check and change your engine oil on time. Old engine oil can damage your engine. Second, check your tire pressure regularly. Low tire pressure can affect your fuel efficiency and also increase the risk of accidents. Third, keep an eye on coolant and brake fluid levels. These fluids are very important for your car's performance and safety. If you take care of your car regularly, it will last longer and you will avoid expensive repairs in the future. Driving is not just about your car, it is about the whole road environment. Always stay alert while driving. Do not get distracted by your phone or anything else. Use indicators properly before turning or changing lanes. This helps other drivers understand your movement. Always check your blind spots before changing lanes. Many accidents happen because drivers do not check properly, follow traffic rules and signals at all times. Remember, safe driving is responsible driving. Now let's talk about mistakes that new drivers must avoid. Never use your mobile phone while driving. Even a second of distraction can cause a serious accident. Do not overspeed. High speed reduces your control over the car and increases danger. Never ignore traffic signals. Running a red light is extremely dangerous and illegal. Also, avoid aggressive driving like sudden overtaking or cutting lanes. These habits are very risky. If you avoid these mistakes, your driving will become much safer and smoother. Practice is very important for becoming a good driver, but it should be done in the right way. If you are a beginner, start practicing in empty areas or less busy roads. Do not directly drive in heavy traffic. Take your time to build confidence. Focus on controlling the car smoothly rather than driving fast. Do not rush the learning process. Every good driver takes time to become skilled. Remember, safe driving is always more important than fast learning. Here is a bonus tip that many people ignore. Always keep an emergency kit in your car. This should include a first aid box, basic tools like a jack and a flashlight. You never know when you might face an emergency situation like a tire puncture or minor accident. Being prepared can save you a lot of trouble and stress. So friends, these were some of the most important car tips for new drivers. If you follow these tips properly, you will become a safer, smarter, and more confident driver. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful car tips. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, stay alert, and take care.